Okay, so let's say we want to create a histogram based on this file. Here we have 30 different test scores for 30 different students in a statistics class. So the first thing we do on line 1 is we name the data file. So data test scores followed by semicolon. On line 2 we have the in-file statement, which is the location of that notepad file. All we have to do is right click on it, properties, and here's the location. Line 3 we have the name of the variable called score followed by the double trailing @ symbol, also called a line hold specifier. And we have the run command on line 4. Now on line 5 we're going to start the SAS code to create the histogram. So to create the histogram we use a procedure statement. We use procedure univariate because we're dealing with one variable. And then data equals test scores, which is the name of the data set on line 1. Next we list the variable that we want to create the histogram for, which is called score. And then we use the histogram statement and list the name of the variable called score. Next we can give the histogram a title. We'll call it Statistics 101 Test Scores. Next we'll run the code. As you can see here we have descriptive statistics. Here we have the histogram with the title Statistics 101 Test Scores. Now let's say that we wanted to superimpose a normal curve over the histogram. What we do is for the histogram statement on line 7 we follow it by a slash and then we give it an option called normal. And let's also say that we want to create a probability plot for the variable score. So we do prob plot and the name of the variable score. We go ahead and run the code. As you can see here we have descriptive statistics again. We superimpose normal curve over the histogram. Here we have some extra information that was created from the option normal. And down here we have the probability plot. Another thing worth mentioning is after the var statement where we have histogram and probability plot, these are the plot requests. We could make further requests such as a QQ plot, which is a quantile plot. We can do a probability plot, which in that case would be PP plot. So just to know that there are many other plot requests that you can make after the var statement. And be sure to include the specific variables you want, because if you do not include the var statement and you have multiple numeric variables in your data, it's going to create plots for all of the numeric variables. Alright, and if you have any questions you could post below in the comment section, and please be sure to subscribe for future videos.